Alright, day 2 of working on the Camaro exhaust here. I'm going to try to wrap this one up real quick and just keep this video a couple minutes long. Hopefully I'll actually be able to start the car and we can hear if this actually fixes all the exhaust leaks. But just real quick, if you guys didn't watch part 1, basically all I did was take off from the collector down, tack weld it so far, got down almost to the X pipe there. I'm going to have to cut that and weld another piece onto it to get the angle just right, but we are just about ready to start final welding everything, so I'm gonna get busy doing this. Alright, so I am doing the final welds now. I still have to finish up this, fill in that gap there, get this bit here. What else is there? I got this stuff over here, and I have, I think it's all sealed up now. I have to go back over it again and double check it, but it's getting there. I need to paint all this stuff still. I probably won't do that, but I should. But right now it's looking all right for a $100 welder. It's good enough for me, at least, as long as it doesn't leak. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep on welding this away, and hopefully we'll finish up here soon. Alright, here she is, finished product. Not my best welding. I laid it on thick. Once I figured out the wire speed and the settings, it wasn't so bad, but as long as it doesn't leak, I'm happy with that. I am ready to go take this under the car, stick it under there, and then I'm actually going to make a short little video of how to check for exhaust leaks, and I'll actually throw a link up above in this video if you guys want to watch that as well. I'll do a whole separate, it's only going to be a couple minutes long, but if you're interested in that, that'll be there. Alright, I think I have everything set up. The headers are connected, the collector's all connected as well. I've leak down test everything with just some soapy water and the trick that I showed you guys on the other video. But I am going to start it. It hasn't started in forever, so hopefully everything goes right, but I'm going to set you guys on the tripod and you'll find out. Okay guys, there you have it. It fired right up. It had been sitting for, I don't know, at least 2 months now, so it struggled there for a second. But when it fired, it idled a little high at first, but then it settled down. You can still kind of hear there's something rattling, or I'm not too sure what it is. It might be something underneath the car I didn't really pick up too well. I just wanted to get it started and get done with tonight. But that is it for today's video. Thanks again for watching, guys. Later.